One of my favorite things to do is have afternoon espresso. So this is something that I learned as a child because my parents were from Italy and we always had espresso at our house. So cheers, here's to having a great cup of. But you see, I didn't really appreciate the culture of it and the meaning of it till I was much older. So what does this have to do with anything? So when we are so busy as brick and mortar business owners and we're rushing, there's very little time to actually do the stuff that we like. There's actually very little time to have downtime and relax and enjoy that cup of espresso. Because I know myself, for over 25 years, I owned a brick and mortar business and I did not have the time to, in the afternoon, make myself espresso because I was chained to my business. Now that I have a coaching and consulting business for the past 15 years, I've been able to cultivate a different lifestyle for myself where I actually can be home and have lunch and make espresso in the afternoon, where I actually can spend time with my crazy dog, Luna, who enjoys playing and going for walks at all different times. So the point is this: when you are thinking about reinventing or transitioning yourself, you have to look at what does your life look like? Like, what do you want for yourself? Because if you've been a brick and mortar location business owner for 10, 20, 15 years, however long you're doing it, I know you're exhausted. And I know you're thinking about a plan B. So my plan B came together and I launched my coaching and consulting business. I have to be honest with you, it's the best thing I ever did because now I get to work from any location. I'm able to help people globally. As long as I speak Italian or English, I can service them. I can help them grow their businesses. And it has changed my life. Where now, in the past 10 years, ever since I launched my business, 15 years, now it's been 10 years that I'm totally into coaching and consulting. It's been a game changer, guys. So one of the biggest things that I had to do is shift my mindset. I had to shift how I was thinking about myself and how I was thinking about and showing up for my business. And honestly, this can be hard because you're so used to doing one thing. You're so used to one type of lifestyle, and then you have to shift your brain and step into a different lifestyle. But guess what? This is the best decision I've ever made. And if you, like me, are exhausted, frustrated, tired of being controlled or having the shutdowns when that happened, or just you want a change, you want to be able to have freedom, then it's time to register for the Exit Strategy Formula Workshop and join me there because I am going to be hosting that. It's going to be a free workshop. And in that workshop, I'm going to walk you through step by step how I actually created my exit strategy and how I actually implemented and launched my coaching consulting business. Now, mind you guys, I was in my late 40s when I did this, right? And I didn't know anything about tech. I didn't know anything about online. I didn't know anything about making videos. And I did it. And now I have custom formulated a strategy step by step on how to do this with no BS, crystal clear, step-by-step roadmap how to create your exit strategy and launch your coaching, consulting, and online mentoring business with no BS. That's what the workshop's all about. If you're ready to learn how, come and join me there. And you too can have your afternoon espresso.